So one of the things that I like to work with companies on a lot is how much of your time is being dedicated to tactical work. So like data entry work or Excel driven work. And if we're able to automate a portion of that, could we shift the type of activities that their team is doing into more value added activities, FP&A services, analysis of operations. There's a lot of different things that I've seen our clients do, our firm clients do, our partnerships provide. And what that means is that we're not adding burden to the team. We're taking a degree of burden off. And a lot of that tactical work has a mix of unbillables in it because of the amount of time it takes and so forth. So our job, in my opinion, is to help our partners become more profitable from a delivery perspective, be able to increase the value of the services, which therefore increases the length of their client relationships and makes them more sticky to their clients in the long term, and being that advisor that the client comes to for different types of questions. And that's key to a successful consulting firm.